In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales CRM using Asana. Whether you're tracking leads or managing client interactions, having an organized CRM is crucial to maintain the flow and efficiency in your sales activities. So, let's dive in and get started with setting up your personalized CRM in Asana. First things first, open Asana in your browser or through the app and log into your workspace or organization where you'll be building this CRM. With access secured, you'll want to create a new project that's dedicated to your sales management. To do this, navigate to the plus new project button. Here, you have a choice. Select board view if you prefer a pipeline style visualization, which is useful for a high-level view of your sales funnel. Alternatively, choose list view to keep things detailed and track extensive records. Once you've chosen the view that best suits your needs, give your project a name. Something like Sales CRM or Client Tracker works well to keep things clear and organized. Now, within your new project, it's time to set up stages or pipeline columns. These columns correspond to the stages of your sales process or client journey. You might have stages like lead, contacted, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed. Think of these columns as representations of steps in your pipeline, helping you track where each client or lead stands. Next, let's add some custom fields. These allow you to track key details about your clients or leads, such as their names, contact information, the deal value, any associated priority, and the expected close date. Custom fields ensure that these crucial details are not only documented, but easily accessible. With your structure in place, each client or lead should be represented as a task within your project. For each task, fill in comprehensive details, including the client's name, notes, contact info, and any relevant attachments. Assign these tasks to team members responsible for managing each client to enhance accountability and clarity. Subsequently, break down specific actions like follow-ups, calls, meetings, or emails into subtasks. This approach allows you to maintain detailed task management under each client-related task. Assign due dates to these subtasks to ensure timely follow-up and maintain momentum within your sales pipeline. Monitoring progress is vital, so utilize Asana dashboards or the portfolio view to gauge the health of your pipeline at a glance. You can filter tasks by stage, owner, or deal value, spotting areas that require immediate attention. Lastly, a good CRM requires regular maintenance and updates. Keep all client information current, archive closed deals to avoid clutter, and review your pipeline weekly to catch any potential issues early. And there you have it, a basic yet effective sales CRM setup in Asana, poised to elevate your sales workflow to greater efficiency and clarity. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.